linking of the EasyAs data files. Linking of the EasyAs data files is possibly the only confusing part in all of this. What happens is, when you first install EasyAs on your PC, EasyAs naturally knows where the data files are. It installs the data files on a specific location on your PC, and it knows where they are. Remember, EasyAs version 8 has 4 data files. However, when we install DropBox, we're actually moving the files to a new location on the computer. And what happens is, EasyAs is not actually looking in that location. It's looking in the old location where the files should be, where the files normally are, and it can't find them. It has a big question mark comes up and it says, I can't see them, I have no idea what to do, and it produces an error. And when it produces an error, it then pops up and says, hey, I can't find the files, do you know where they are? If you do, how about relinking the data files again? How about telling me where they are, because I have no idea? You have to remember, the software is pretty dumb. Most of the accounting programs on the planet, in fact, a lot of software on the planet is dumb. It's only as good as how it was written. And the software, because it's looking for a specific location on the computer for your data files, the moment you move them, it has no idea what to do next. So it's going to pop up and say, hey, if you know where they are, you better tell me, because I have no idea. It's a very simple process, guys. All you have to do is show EasyAs where the data files now exist. So where's the problem in all of this? The problem is there are 4 data files, and even though you tell the computer where one of those files are, you have to do the same thing and repeat the same step 4 times for each 4 data files. You would think that if you told EasyAs where one of them are, it would look in that location to find the other 3, but it doesn't do that. So people get confused because they don't understand why they're having to do it 4 times. But it's only 3 minutes of work. The software does it for you, you just have to click an icon. You have to remember that the software is dumb. It may be confusing at first, but once you've done this once, you can do it a million times. It's like anything. Ride a bike once, you can ride it a million times. You will need to repeat this for each computer, but once it's done, you won't have to do it again. The only exception would be if in 2 months' time or 6 months' time we issue a new software update. The moment we issue a software update, you're going to have to rebind these files. You won't have to reinstall Lockbox, Dropbox, or do anything like that. That's already done. All you need to do is relink the main file, because when we do an update, we provide you with a new copy of the main file, and the main file is expecting your data files to be found in the most common location, which is where they are when you install the program. So you install an update and you run the program for the first time, it's going to pop up, hey, I can't find the files. Do you know where they are? If you know where they are, please tell me. That being said, let's get started, and I'm going to take you through a video on linking. The video is dedicated just to this topic, to make it nice and simple. So if you get confused, you can watch that one video a couple of times till you understand what's going on.